Alright, this will probably be the last video I do of these for a while. Finally got the last two computers swapped out of our Charlotte location with Windows 7. These are going to be upgraded to Windows 10, so I'm going to upgrade, actually add video cards and get matching RAM in them because I think they're all mismatched. These old Gx280 computers, I think they only can handle the 32-bit Windows 10 operating system, so 4 gigs of RAM is all they're going to be able to handle. And so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get these swapped out, and my buddy who's an IT guru is going to do the complete wipe and reinstall of 10. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so first off we'll go ahead and do the old compact one. Now, this one's got a video card, but I don't think it's going to be compatible. I've already bought this one, which I know was recommended on a Dell forum to work with Windows 10. So yeah, I'm going to take this old card out because I won't have a use for it and just go ahead and install this one. So stand by. Man, these old clamshells are tough to get open. My goodness. Okay, so now, yeah, let me get this old card out here. Alright, a little lever just lifts up like that. And then I'm going to get this one flipped out on the motherboard. Come on, I can do this with one hand. There we go. Yeah, I don't even know what this is. I'm going to have to check, but it's looks like an old ATI PN102826055020000001. Okay. I don't know. But it looks like it's going to be too old for running Windows 10 anyway, so yeah. And then we'll just pop this new one in. Let me see, yeah. Got a little something. Okay, come on. Cord's in my way. Nah, hold on. Alright. There we go. In there. And then this one, it's going to have to flip a little something. Let's get this grill right here out of the way. Like that. What fun it is to do this with one hand. Yeah, slides in just like that, and then down with the latch, and boom, we're in there. VGA, HDMI, and DVI. Look, you can tell. Alright, so that one's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull these RAM sticks out. I think they're only 2 gigs, so I'm going to beef this up to 4. Wow, running is so small. 1 gig sticks, yep, that's what they are. So pull them out, and then we'll find a couple of 2 gig sticks. I believe these are let's see, these are 512s. Okay, so yeah, I've got, what do I got in here? 1 gig. I believe these might be 2 gigs. And they got the Dell labels on them. Let me double check. Yeah, I believe these are 2 gigs. So we'll just pop one. Going like this. Oh, come on. There we go. And then like that. And snap in. Easy as that. So now we're up to 4 gigs. Sweet, one's done. Yeah, we'll go ahead and move on to the next clamshell. Don't you hate this style? Boy, I do. These clamshells are just bizarre. So, okay. Alright, we're closed. Oh my goodness. Wow, what a beast. Okay, here's my video card. I can actually leave the fan in, which is nice. At least USBs. I got enough USBs, so I don't think I need to add a USB card. So, cool. Alright, well, we'll do the video card and we'll see what we got. I think I got 2 gigs in this one too, like a bunch of 512s. And if that's all they are, then yeah, I'm definitely not holding on to them. Donate them or something, or add them to my donation collection. What we got here? 512. Yep, these are all 512 sticks. So out you go. And we'll add 4 gigs to it. Alright, so I only got 2 1 gig sticks left, and I've got these 2 2 gig sticks left. So yeah, I'll just use them first. Pop them in there, like that. All right, so they're in. All right, next up will be the video card, same exact style, MSI 5450, and this one's got the single high-profile plate, so they're all on one slot here. And we get this little thingamajig open here, like that. So that'll be good. I can still leave the fan in place, so it'll keep that a little cooler with airflow. And then that snaps in just like that. And we're ready to pop this little plastic piece back in place. Sweet. So there we go. VGA, HDMI, and DVI. Awesome. So that'll complete the install of 2 video cards and upgrading the RAM to 4 gigs in preparation for Windows 10 on a couple of Dell Gx280 clamshell computers. Alright, easy as that. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Oh yeah, why not? Real quick, video card obviously works as it's booting up. We'll check the RAM. Alright, let's go to System. 4 gigs, perfect. 3 gigs usable. 32-bit, yep. So that's the big clamshell. We'll do the small one next. Alright, video card works on the smaller clamshell. Alright, as it finishes installing the driver, which it won't need once it gets booted up to 7, let's go to System. Oh, changing the resolution on me. There we go. 4 gigs, 3 gigs usable. Awesome. Alright, well, we know the RAM works. We're up to 4 gigs and ready for the Windows 10 32-bit install. So, awesome. This will wrap it up. Adios.